Hi friends, how are you doing today? And you're watching YouTube channel IELTS Coaching, and I'm your IELTS expert Ramandeep Singh. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and you will get access to hundreds and hundreds of my YouTube videos related to IELTS. With my videos and my experience, I try to make IELTS learning easier for you. There are different modules in IELTS: writing, reading, speaking and listening, and students usually find writing and reading very difficult along with speaking. However, listening is the easiest module among all. Well, I do make videos on all the three modules, but you won't find too many videos on writing. Well, you can also check my playlist related to speaking, reading, listening. However, you won't find too many videos related to writing. There is one of my writing video link for you, and you can watch it if you have not watched it. But I'm sorry, I do not share my writing videos on this free platform. If you want to learn writing with me, if you want to achieve your desired bands, if you wish to score 6 easily, if you are a 10+2 pass out and want to apply for Canada PR, or if you are a GT student want to score 7, or academic student want to score 7 or beyond, you have to take one of our paid course. For writing, you can buy our complete IELTS course, that is Lockdown series, available at a price of only 4,000. That comes with my video tutorials on writing. You will learn all the different formats of writing: task 1, task 2 for GT as well as academic, and you will learn that how easy it is to score in the writing part if you follow my strategies. At the same time, I will help you in developing realistic ideas to write your task 1 and task 2, as lots of students complain that they do not get good ideas to write their essay. At the same time, you also have the option to join us for one-on-one training, in which we appoint expert trainer for you. And if you wish, you can take one-on-one training for all modules, or you can simply take one-on-one writing for the writing module, in which we once again train you all the different formats of task 1, task 2. There is assessment, we evaluate your task, tell you how good it was, and in the feedback session, we tell you how you can improve your writing. We also share the sample answers with you, and we provide you customized strategies to improve your writing. As our sessions are one-on-one, that means on a given time one trainer teaches you only, so we will really work on what exactly would work for you and how we can help you to achieve your desired bands. If you are looking for writing sessions and if you want to improve your writing, WhatsApp on the flashing number right now for one-on-one sessions. And to buy Lockdown series course, you can simply download IELTS coaching application available on Google Play Store, or download ClassPlus app if you're an Apple user, and you have to enter org code, that would be IELTS IELTS. Here you can see Lockdown series course, and day 1 of this course is free. Day 1 contents of this course are free of all different modules, and you can check the video lecture on writing especially. So that's pretty much all in this video. If you need more help, you can WhatsApp us anytime on the flashing number on the screen. Thanks for joining me for this video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Hey friends, how are you doing today? I'm Ramandeep Singh and you're watching YouTube channel IELTS Coaching. IELTS कोचिंग आप सभी करना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी इंस्टीट्यूट्स खुले नहीं हैं। आप दुनिया में अलग अलग जगह पर रहते हो और ज्यादातर जगह पर लॉकडाउन है। इंस्टीट्यूट्स के ओपन ना होने की वजह से आप IELTS ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हो। आप ये भी ड्रीम रखते हो कि आप मेरे साथ IELTS ट्रेनिंग करें, लेकिन आप मोगा सिटी से काफी दूर रहते हो। वंस अगेन आपके लिए प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है कि यहाँ पर आप आकर मेरे साथ IELTS ट्रेनिंग करें, लेकिन आप सबका मैंने सोल्यूशन निकाल दिया है, एंड दैट इज माय ऑनलाइन कोर्स, दैट इज लॉकडाउन सीरीज। ये कोर्स आपको हेल्प करेगा अपने घर पर बैठे IELTS की प्रैक्टिस, IELTस की प्रेपरेशन करने में, और इसमें आप प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे all the 4 modules of the IELTS in detail with explanation, tips and tricks, and on top of that my writing samples as well. इस कोर्स हमने बहुत ही इंटरैक्टिव बनाया है और उसमें आपको कई सारे इंटरैक्टिव टेस्ट भी मिलेंगे that will certainly help you in improving your grammar as well. यहाँ पर हमारा WhatsApp ग्रुप है उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स का जिन्होंने ये लॉकडाउन सीरीज कोर्स बाय किया है. Why don't you too buy this course and become a part of this WhatsApp group? सबसे इंटरैक्ट कीजिए. Students from all different parts of the world are there, so you can get the latest updates about the IELTS exam by joining this group. The price of this course is very reasonable. Learning with me, practicing for hours, sitting at home. On top of that, we are offering you at the moment free speaking booster. जी हाँ, speaking booster electronic book जिसमें आपको मिलते हैं सारे cue cards with their follow-ups and their introductory questions. और ये electronic book मिलेगी आपको free on the purchase of लॉकडाउन सीरीज. इतना ही नहीं, आपको मिलने जा रहा है रीडिंग मटेरियल भी 30+ रीडिंग टेस्ट सीरीज जो अभी हमारे IELTS कोचिंग एप्लीकेशन पर 250 प्राइस पर अवेलेबल है. बट फॉर द लॉकडाउन सीरीज बायर इट इज गोइंग टू बी एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. सो व्हाट एल्स यू वांट? डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम सिटिंग एट होम आइडली. आपको कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव करना है और इससे अच्छा पॉजिटिव आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि इफ यू विल बाय दिस कोर्स by the time lockdowns will open, you will be the first person to take the IELTS exam. आप वो सारे बच्चों से आगे हो जाएंगे जो लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद अपनी IELTS preparation start करेंगे. So certainly buy this course and positively work out your time. और सबसे important चीज, आप WhatsApp ग्रुप में 24/7 मुझे कभी भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं and I will definitely be there to answer your queries. So I would certainly love to see you guys downloading IELTS coaching application. ये मेरा एप्लीकेशन है जो अवेलेबल है गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे. एप्पल यूजर्स को डाउनलोड करनी होती है CLASSPLUS और ORG कोड एंटर करना होता है IELTS. और इसी एप्लीकेशन पे सभी कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं और यहाँ पर आपको स्टोर ऑप्शन में मिलेंगे मेरे सारे कोर्सेज. नाउ वेस्ट नो टाइम.